This is one of the newest ones. It's our wall mount cup holder. This thing is really nice. I've got two holes in the top. You can put sunglasses in it, regular glasses, reading glasses. See the two holes in the top? Sometimes an ink pen will sit in there if it's thick enough at the top, with the clip that it won't go through. A regular Bic pen or something would fall all the way through. This thing is made for like drinking cups, solo cups, big things like that. Coffee cups, not so much. This is a great big Orca 16-ounce cup, and you see it fits in there just fine. These things are really nice. Now, these are 3D printed, and they're a material that's going to hold up real good. It's going to be strong. It's going to last. You don't have to worry about moisture getting into them because they're waterproof. I did not put drain holes in the bottom because if you spill something in there or have a paper cup that leaks, you don't want it coming out. You'd rather have it in here, or you could clean it up. So now let's see how we mount these. I've got this one stuck up with nothing but a command strip like this, and I would not recommend using a command strip to put this up with, but just for demo I just stuck it up there with that. You got this nice big flat surface on the back. Put a little bit of silicone on that, just regular silicone. Just go right around the edge like that, or in the center. Put a circle and make sure it's a closed circle, not filled solid, but that it's a loop. And the reason is, when you use silicone to hold something up like that, or any kind of a construction adhesive, when you take and press it up against the wall, wiggle it just a little bit, you'll hear it pop. And when you let go, it'll usually stay because that's creating a suction. But what I would do is, once I got it up there, I'll put my tape back on there for just a second. Once I got it up there and got it where I wanted, I would take a piece of masking tape and I would come right across here, across the front, and across the other side, just to hold it in place for like 12 hours or so until the silicone set up. Once that silicone sets up, don't use it the first day, use it the next. Once that silicone sets up, this will stay where you want it. Now, if you don't want to use silicone there, that's fine. To get something off that's on there with silicone, you can take like a piece of thread or fishing line, put across there, seesaw it back and forth between the cup holder and the wall, and it'll cut through that silicone. Then you can take the silicone off the wall with like a little putty knife or something. But if you don't want to do that, you might go back here and try 3M makes the command strips, and the command strips, you've seen them, they're like this, they're wonderful. Well, they make one with a blue backing on it, and that blue tells you it is waterproof, and it's very, very strong, holds up real good, and you've got room to put a couple of, I think about 2.5, 3-inch ones on this. And those are strong enough that they may hold pretty good. I still would not, I'd put it on there, press it in place, and leave it there. And even with command strips, you want to wait about 12 hours or so, just to give it good time to cure and adhere real well. If you just stick it up there and put a big heavy cup in it, it's liable to fall with you right off the bat, and we wouldn't want that. Hey, check out some of the other cool stuff. There are jiggers for mixing your drinks, like shot and a half, and double shot. There are cup holders to set on your counter that'll hold red Solo cups. By the way, this will hold a red Solo cup real nice. There are all kinds of neat stuff on there. If you think of something you need, you let me know, and maybe I'll put it on there and send it to you. Bye now.